Good morning, dear kids. This is Shilpa Singh, your math tutor, and we are taking our exercise 3.2. Okay, it's chapter 3. In that first problem, you have find x in the following figures. So, again, we have nice figures. And you have to find x. How you'll go for it? Shall we name this as m? Okay. Now if this and shall I name this as n? How you'll first find your m and n? My dear kids, this is a linear pair. So m will be 180 minus 125. You will get the linear pair. Reason you have to write because the angles are linear pair. So the sum is 180. So from there you will get m as 55. What about n? Even n is a linear pair of 125. So we'll take n is equal to 180 minus 125 and from there you will get n as 55 again. My dear kids, do you know the angle sum property of a triangle? Yes. In this triangle if we go, can we find the third angle? Yes. How? If I suppose say m plus n plus, can we name this as O? O is equal to 180, m you have 55 and you have 55 and O you do not know is equal to 180. Angle O will be equal to 180 minus 110. Am I clear? So I got the value of O as 70. Once I got O as 70, my dear kids, x is a linear pair of O. So what will be x? It will be 180 minus 70, that is 110. Is that clear? Perfect. Next we have problem number 2. Okay. We have problem number 2 which says, we have a figure like this. This is 70 degree, this is 90 degree, this is 60, this is 90, this is n, this is y, this is x, this is m. Okay, we have to find m, y, n. Yes, shall we start? Yes. Now, here if you notice this, okay, have we done about the sum of interior angles? If you know, this is a pentagon. How it's a pentagon? Because it consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It consists of 5 sides. So it is called as a pentagon. Yes, and some interior angles, sum of all interior angles in a pentagon, we have a formula for that. Yes, 2n minus 4 into 90. Or you can use n minus 2 into 180. Either one formula you have to use. Put in the value of n as 5 and you will get sum of all angles to be 540 degree. Now my dear kids, can you see here? This is 60. So what will be n? N will be linear pair, that is 180 minus 60, that will be 120. What about this will be 110, m will be 110 because again they are forming linear pair. This is 90, this is 90 and you have to find y and you have to find x. For finding y, because we have sum of all the angles, interior angles to be 540, can I write 110, that is angle m, plus 90 plus 120 plus again 90 plus y is equal to 540 because sum of all the interior angles in a pentagon is equal to 540. From there, my dear kids, I'll get the value of y. Yes or no? Yes, I'll get the value of y as 130. That means you have to add all this number and subtract from 540. You will get the value of y as 130. Now if once I got y as 130, can you see x is a linear pair of y? So if x is a linear pair of y, what we will be doing? Yes, my dear kids, Again 180 minus 130, so that you will get the value of x as 180 minus 130, that is 50 degrees. Isn't it easy? Yes. Next we have problem number 2, which says find the measure of each exterior angle of regular polygon of 9-sided. Now 9-sided regular polygon you have, and you have to find the measure of each exterior angle. My dear kids, for finding measure of each exterior angle, I'll request you to first find, see it is 9-sided. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9-sided polygon. So first you have to find the sum of all interior angles. And I have given you a formula. You can use 2n minus 4 into 90 or n minus 2 into 180. Put value of n as 9 minus 4 into 90. My dear kids, you have to do this. 18 minus 4 into 90, that will be 14 into 90, and that will be 1260. That means sum of all the angles in a 9-sided polygon will be 1260 degrees. Now, if you want each angle, what you will do? Each interior angle. Each interior angle is the total sum interior angle upon the number of sides, that is n. That is n. N is 9 here. So here you will get 140 degree as each interior angle. Got my point? So this is 140 suppose. My dear kids, अगर मैंने इसको extend किया बाहर की तरफ तो ये उसका exterior बनता है. And they have asked the value of each exterior angle. So what you will do to find the exterior angle? We know that interior and exterior are in linear in one line. So they are called as linear pair. So their sum will make up what? The sum will make up 180. Therefore, if I subtract 140 from 180, I'll get 40, which will be the each exterior angle. Got my point? In a question they have asked find the measure of each exterior angle. So we got that. So step number 1 was you have to find the sum of interior angles. Step number 2 was you have to find each interior angle. And step number 3, each interior angle when subtracted from 180, you will get each exterior angle. Clear with the concept? Okay, next we have problem number. In that same problem, question number 2, you have one more. You have to find 15-sided polygon is given to you and you have to find the measure of each exterior angle. Similar process, first you have to find the sum of all the interior angles of 15-sided polygon, and then you have to find each interior angle and then subtract from 180, you will get each exterior angle. Can you do it on your own? Yes. Next we have problem number 3, which says, how many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24? My dear kids, now every polygon has one interior, has one exterior. If this is a polygon, suppose this is exterior, this is interior. Now it is said that exterior is 24 degree, and we know when we subtract 180 and 24, what we will get will be each interior. Are you getting my point? Or otherwise, I can also give you direct method of finding the number of sides is number of sides will be equal to sum of exterior angles upon number of angles. Number of sides, sorry, I'm so sorry. Number of sides will be, I have written some, wait. each exterior angle will be equal to sum of exterior angles upon number of sides. My dear kids, each exterior angle is given to you 24 and sum of all exterior angles, जो सब exterior angles का sum होगा my dear kids, that will be always 360 degree. Sum of interior angles के लिए formula है to find all the interior angles का sum, but sum of exterior angles is always 360. So you have to find number of sides from here. So number of sides will be what? Number of sides will be 360 and this upon 24. So you will get 15. Got my point clear? So directly you can find. No need of finding interior angle. Directly exterior angle से जा सकते हैं. Clear? Okay. Next we have problem number 4, which says how many sides does a regular polygon have if its each interior angle is 165. अगर each interior 165 है तो exterior क्या होगा? Exterior हो जाएगा 180 minus 165, that will be 15 degree. And once you got each exterior angle, I gave you a formula for number of sides. What? Number of sides is equal to sum of all exterior angles upon each exterior angle. That will be sum of all exterior angle is always 360. Each exterior angle you got as 15. So number of sides of this polygon will be 24. Got my point clear? Next we have question number 5. Question number 5 says, is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior 22? Okay, is it possible to have a polygon with measure of each exterior as 22 degree? चलो कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? तो पहले हम नंबर ऑफ साइड्स फाइंड करेंगे. दिस इज एक्सटीरियर 22 एंड आई गेव यू फॉर्मूला. व्हाट? नंबर ऑफ साइड्स is equal to sum of exterior angles upon each exterior angle. So it will be 360 sum of exterior angles and each is given as 22. Once you divide this, you are getting 16.38. What? Number of sides. But my dear kids, can the number of sides be in decimal? No. Can I say that my polygon is 16.38 sided? Can I say that? No, I cannot say that. So number of sides, if you are getting answer in decimal, you will say such kind of polygon is not possible. Got my point clear? Okay, we have next. Which says, can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? Now they are saying the same 22 degree. Can it be an interior angle? Now how to find this, my dear kids? If this is an interior angle, then what will be exterior? Exterior will be 180 minus interior, that is 180 degree minus 22, that is 158 degree. Now we got each exterior Okay, 1 minute. Can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? Okay, once it is an interior angle, now this is 158. Okay, now you got each exterior as this. Now again you find the number of sides. Number of sides is sum of exterior angles upon each exterior angle. Am I correct? From there I'll get sum of exterior is always 360 and each exterior here is 158. When you divide 360 by 158 you will get 2.27. Again I am getting the number of sides in decimal. So what we will write? Such kind of polygon with interior angle 22 is not possible. Clear? Yes. Next we have problem number 6, which says what is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon and why? एक पॉलीगॉन बनाने के लिए मिनिमम साइड्स कितने लगते हैं? मिनिमम साइड्स फॉर मेकिंग अ पॉलीगॉन इज 3. वाई? बिकॉज 2 से तो कभी आपका पॉलीगॉन बनेगा नहीं, 3 से एक ट्रायंगल बन सकता है. सो लीस्ट पॉसिबल नंबर ऑफ साइड्स विच आर रिक्वायर्ड इज 3 साइडेड पॉलीगॉन. ठीक है. नाउ 3 साइडेड पॉलीगॉन में अगर आप सम एडिशन करेंगे तो इनका आता है 180 डिग्री, सम ऑफ ऑल द एंगल्स ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल, एंड ईच एंगल विल बी 60 डिग्री. So your question is what is the minimum interior angle of a regular polygon and why? So you got the minimum sides for making a polygon is 3 and the minimum angle of a triangle is 60 degree. Okay. Then you have what is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon. तो सबसे छोटे में छोटा polygon 3 sided है और उसका exterior angle, that means this is your interior 60. This is your interior 60 and what will be the exterior? Exterior will be 120. So you will write, again you will write equilateral wahi, minimum sides required for making a polygon is 3 and each exterior angle of such polygon is 180 minus 60, that is 120 degree. Clear with the point? Okay, I guess the topic is clear, but still if you have any doubt, you can message me on my personal number. God bless.